But I don't think it has remained as a kidney, heart, not like that. When there is a cause, it is ready to produce. Like that, in drum there is a sound. Sound is not a remain in the drum, but it is possibility, potentiality. Whenever beat, it is replying as sound, react sound, produce a sound. Like that. Otherwise, we have to search for where remain attachment, where remain hatred, where remain the delusion. If there is a delusion remain in the heart, we must take out. If so, we become arahant. If attachment and hatred, delusion remain in the eye, we take out. There's no place for. Not like that. There's a possibility and potentiality that is positive. This is called anusaya. Anurupan karanam labedava upachati. Because of become stronger, therefore it's ready to produce. Ready to produce this action. So drum is ready to produce it as a sound. Piano ready to produce it as a sound. Harp ready to produce. Waiting for one reason. Waiting for one reason. Like gas lighter. In gas lighter there is gas and everything is there. It is waiting for another reason. It is struck someone. The fire come out. As long as there is nobody struck, fire cannot come out. Because one reason is a need. It's a full of reason, full of cause. It is coming to be. In this way, anusaya follow the line later. I say positive. Pariyodhana is coming out, activate, raising up. This pariyodhana, rise up, coming to be, take action in this way. So, Diṭṭhi is as a puzzle. Whoever, within whose Sutta Pitaka is not a beard. Therefore, wrong view is remain, wrong view is possible within one. It is ready, waiting for some condition. As soon as the conditions come into being, wrong view come into being. When the cause, the reasons are no more, how many times through beer, trying to beer, cannot come out. Cannot come out, such as. So in this way, Diṭṭhi pariyodhana, anusaya pariyodhana. So then, Kati Diṭṭhiyo. This is how many types of Diṭṭhis? Kati Diṭṭha Abhinivesa. This term is very important. Abhinivesa. Sometimes Abhinivesa is a meditation practice. Abhinivesa. Abhinivesa is like a manasikara. Looking like a manasikara, keeping in the mind. Abhinivesa. Nivesa means nivesa. Putting into the mind. Literally, putting into the mind. Putting into the mind means keeping in the mind, thinking, attention, grasping, mentally grasping, thinking, consideration. So many English words, but which is suitable? So the Pali is abhinivesa. Sometimes the commentaries explain what day abhinivesa, what day na abhinivesa. When you wish to meditate inside meditation, vipassana, your object must be vata. Vata means nama rupa. What day abhinivesa? There is Monday object, not supra-Monday object, because you did not pass yet supra-Monday. By walking on Monday object, you can attain a supra-Monday. Therefore, what day abhinivesa? This meditation practice must be Monday object, Lokiya object, not Lokottara. So what day abhinivesa? Vivutta means Nibbana and Lokottara. You cannot meditate in Nibbana and Maggapāḷi. You cannot meditate. These are just attainment. So such a word also used abhinivesa. Abhinivesa. Therefore, abhinivesa is sometimes vipassana, sometimes thinking with attachment, thinking with the conceit, thinking with the round view. Such a thinking is abhinivesa. Here, Diṭṭhi abhinivesa means thinking with the round view, or round views thinking. What is a round views thinking? Isomi atta, considered with the round view. Isomi atta. But referring to Diṭṭhi, we have to know thinking with the jhana, attachment, thinking with the mana, idam mama iso hamasmi. Also here abhinivesa. Abhinivesa. According to it, his consideration is not in correct ways. It is in wrong ways. Therefore, sometimes miccha abhinivesa, samma abhinivesa, sometimes used. Like that, miccha diṭṭhi, samma diṭṭhi. Abhinivesa also two types. Miccha abhinivesa. What is miccha abhinivesa? It is with attachment, raga dosa moha, with the attachment, with the hatred. Then, with Nandamala deity, this is miccha. Samma abhinivesa means anicca dukkha anatta. Contemplation as a anicca dukkha anatta. That is a samma abhinivesa. So here, Diṭṭha abhinivesa. Katamo Diṭṭhikathā samukkhato. Samukkhaṭa. Here, samukkhaṭa. Samukkhaṭa means eradication. Eradicate. Cutting up. Cut out. Removed. All types of wrong views are removed. All types of wrongs are cut off. So, Diṭṭhikathā samukkhaṭa means Sotabhati-magga. Therefore, Sotabhati-magga Diṭṭhikathā. This is briefly talk about. So, we should understand these special terms. Diṭṭhi and Diṭṭhikathā and Priyuttana abhinivesa samughāta. Sometimes the samughāta is used as samucheda also. Samughāta, samucheda, meaning is the same. Samughāta, samucheda. So here, how to arise wrong views explained in 23 groups. 23 groups. First, regarding to 5 cricket. This is the first. Point in 5 cricket, there is abhinivesa pramasa. Abhinivesa, tentatively, so I translate, thinking of, wrongly thinking, wrong, thinking wrongly. Pramasa is misinterpretation. So regarding to cricket, many people have wrong thought and misinterpretation. What is right thought and interpretation in correct way? That is a vipassana. The Buddha keeps the vipassana. Only vipassana is in correct ways. Abhinivesa. Pramasa means opposite word of the vipassana. So first step, cricket. Whatever may be is possible. The Buddha gave a lot of object. Beings also have. In our mind there is a lot of object, you see. Maybe for some cricket, maybe for others, 6 internal phases. Maybe others external phases. So first is cricket. Because of wrong view coming to arise depending on cricket. You know Sakaya Diṭṭhi. Sakaya means, Kaya means a cricket. Cricket. Cricket is not wrong. View is wrong. Cricket really exist. Therefore, Sakaya. Cricket exists. We cannot reject. There's cricket. Everybody has cricket here. As a human being, really exist. But referring to cricket, the view is wrong. Therefore, Sakaya Diṭṭhi. Sakaya Diṭṭhi. That is the meaning. The wrong view arise regarding to cricket. On cricket. The wrong view arise on cricket. Therefore, this cricket will be laid up. What is in Diṭṭhikathā? Diṭṭhikathā. Why wrong view arises? There is mentioned cricket. Where there is a cricket, there is a possible to rise. Possible the wrong view rise. Therefore, we'll explain it later. So, where abhinivesa pramasa come into being? First cricket. It's okay. Then, the second, eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, mind. This is internal base. 6 internal base also, where depending on it, the misinterpretations are coming to be. Pramasa is coming to be. Then, Rupa Sadagana Rasa Putapa, the third. Rupa Sadagana Rasa. We have eye, therefore we see visual object. We have ear, therefore we hear. We have a nose, therefore we get the smell. We have a tongue, therefore we can taste. We have taste. We have body, therefore we have tangibility object. We have a mind, therefore we are thinking something, some of the object. So regarding to these objects also, wrong view come into being. This is the third group. External object. This is 8 object. 6 object, sorry. 6 object. Rupa, Saddha, Gana, Rasa, Potava. Then the fourth, we're meeting together, internal, external. Consciousness coming to being. 6 type of consciousness coming to being. Regarding to it, wrong view, misinterpretations come into being. Therefore, eye consciousness, ear consciousness, nose, tongue, body consciousness, mind consciousness. So, after that, it is not stopped, only vijnana consciousness. When consciousness arises, it associates together with the phassa. Therefore, the contact, eye contact, ear contact, nose contact, tongue contact, body contact, mind contact. So, 6 type of phassa also cause to misinterpretation, regarding to misinterpretation. Therefore, wrong view is coming to be. So, okay. After that, feeling. The feeling is important. Therefore, the Buddha specially gave meditation object, Vedana Nupassana. Because of feeling, Tanha is coming to be. So, feeling means, feeling is referring to, depending on contact, phassa. Phassa paccaya vedana. Therefore, sakhu samphassa cha vedana, feeling produced by eye contact. Feeling produced by eye contact. In this way, altogether 6 types. Yesterday, these are explained in detail. So, I want to clarify it to continue to this one. Therefore, I explain it again. This is important. No? How to, if you they understand these points, that continues also not so difficult to understand. Altogether, the points will be given, subtler and subtler. No? Altogether, 23 groups are given. 23 groups. Yesterday I talked about how many words, how many dhammas are given. Sorry? 190. Okay. Oh, 198. Okay, 198 Dhamma will be explained. Yeah. So these things are very important to understand as a Buddha's teachings. So we should study. It's a need to digest, to move ahead. So the ground is important. Okay, today, now is the time to stop.